Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a band team alert. And it's from the MLB, so you can make the guess or you can look at the thumbnail. And you can guess who it is. It's Cleveland Indians. So let's take a look at what we have in today. There it is. Chief Wahoo, Cleveland Indians. Fitted cap, new era, and this is a cool base cap. Let's take a look up close. There it is, up close shot. Cool base, what is that? That's like 2015. Well, it's spanning back further than that. They used to promote cool base quite often, Major League Baseball. This is an on-field edition cap, so you're not going to get the new era insignia and the older style caps. Back of the cap, your standard batsman logo, and it's looking pretty good actually. Side shot, nothing brewing. Obviously, another note: Cleveland Indians. Everybody knows. Well, most people know this. Some don't. Cleveland Indians were renamed the Guardians. The Indian name and the mascot was banned because of Native American usage, and the Cleveland franchise decided it was time to go in a different direction. So they came up with the Guardians, but this is an older Indians hat. Got a black UV on this. Pretty standard for on-field. So this is engineered exclusively for MLB players. Official on-field performance, regular, authentic collection, 7.5. And this is made in China. 950, and this has signs of 2015, 2016 new era. So what do you think of this bad boy? Like it or like it or dislike it? Love it or hate it? Which one do you prefer? Or you were indifferent? I think it's a classic Americana. That's what it comes down to. And this is the Cleveland Indians. They'll always be known. They will always be just part of American culture, part of American sports, and part of baseball history. No doubt about it. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase Cleveland Indian caps with Chief Wahoo, links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one. Have a great day.